Hey Paris, what is happening? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, I would like it to be good night. When you cock up in your bed and I watch Debbie in our kitchen this time. Bless Saturday morning. It is the Saturday after Christmas. I mean, knows everybody I look for me put up all of Christmas cooking and I didn't cook anything. I did not. Actually, I all told you. I'll know me not cook nothing yet. But you're gonna see me, man. Me I go cook, but I don't know more big or whatever. But you'll see. You know. So once more, blessed Saturday morning to you. Me and Daddy in the kitchen. Dad, welcome to the Saturday morning vlog. Say good morning, no?
Good morning. Welcome, everybody.
Okay, Dad says good morning. So, I decided to say, yo, Dad, I'm going to make like a peanut porridge in me. But the thing is, this peanut that I have here, porridge, I don't know, tutorial, you know. Because I keep telling people we don't do tutorials like step by step over here. When I cook on this channel, it is just that I share. So if it is something that I did on the cooking channel already, I'll always leave the link to let you go watch it in there. Oftentimes people be asking for the recipe. We don't do recipes over here. Okay? We don't do them over here. We just, when we are cook, we just share while we vlog. So, me now have these, but it's not our local peanuts. So I decide to say, me I go try some of it. Me I go make some peanut porridge for me and Daddy night Saturday morning. Because you know Saturday morning is like what you have for Saturday morning breakfast. We don't do like sit down big breakfast. Mostly on a Sunday we do that. But you know we grab a cup of porridge or something, a ham sandwich or something. What you do for Saturday morning breakfast? Saturday morning breakfast I think is it's special, not like Sunday. But it's still like a special breakfast because most of the times the family is always home. But we don't get to sit down with them all over the place with the food. That's the difference for me at my house with Saturday morning and Sunday morning breakfast. Breakfast is being prepared for everyone as opposed to in the week. Gone to school, work, so you know, get up going to school, you do your own thing, you go work, do your own thing, who at home do them own thing. Saturday morning breakfast is always prepared like for the family in one, you know, but still we not get to sit down. Comment if you know what me I talk about. Comment if I saw it happen at your house. So me I go put in a little more of that peanut here, me I go get it. And how I did my peanut porridge, you know what happened? I'm gonna leave the link to my peanut porridge in the description. Honest to God, I think that video has been so underrated. And let me tell you something, I one of the best. Not because it's me do it. That peanut porridge, the procedure, I'm going to leave the link and you go check it out and start make some peanut porridge. Maybe I'll start out this and then I'll catch you in the next clip. Maybe porridge the way I make. Yes, so actually porridge. At that time when I did that, I did do that one, I never did have that blender here. So what we do you know, as I told you, I just say, you know, when we do it different. I just chop it in the food processor first. Because you know, so the food processor, it not deal with the water thing too much. You get better work. So I just deal with it in the food processor first. And then to this come with the NutriBullet, I do it in there. But when I did, so you can probably do yours like that. When I look at this, wow, and it's smooth. When I did, so I have no coconut milk in this one. I have coconut, but I have no ready-made tin milk. And I can't bother go blend no coconut. You know them lazy spell there. So I blended this in the Nutri-Mix, NutriBullet, whatever, with the evaporated milk. So this is how it is. And I just use it with the cinnamon powder and some vanilla and a little nutmeg. And I wait for it to come with somebody. And this is how it looks. It looks real good though. So as it cooks and I stir, it will get a little smoother. But you know it have no red in it because this peanut here, remember right there, this peanut here was a different peanut, a jumbo peanut. So we don't have the amount of red in it. It's not as red as our local peanut. Smells nice though, smells just like the regular peanut porridge. So, peanut porridge breakfast time. That I hold the camera go around this so. Camera girl say hi.
Hi guys.
Yeah. So catch you in the next clip, guys. This is just for breakfast. So part of my slice of bread, Dad.
4.
Take out the butter. Let's all get one there. So Pari, this is a different peanut as I did say it before. So I notice it doesn't have enough gluten like our regular peanuts. They are fat, so it look like a big and worthless peanut. So I mix a little flour paste, but I don't think I might need all of it in there. They want fried dumpling. Where do you want the bread? Bread. They want. So sorry, me did have a little camera story. So you see, it's still now get the body to get little, but that not much. So me just mix up, but I don't think I go put all of the flour here. So when I'm using a little flour to use it as a thickener, this is how I make mine. So I'm not sure I go put all of it though. I've never used this peanut before. So see it? So it starts getting thick in the bottom. So I stir it around. So I get about maybe about 7 minutes because this flour thing I want to cook. I don't want to taste no flour in it. So you have to see it. It has, you see me put the flour. So I have to stir it because it will get thick at the bottom. I have to make sure I get it smooth out. So look here, I'm going to make it cook a little more. This little video is about my Saturday morning breakfast. Just this me I do. So I see it I get a little body. Yeah, so I go and smooth it out a little more. And you see me next my porridge already because I want to fry 2 dumplings, but guess what? Kind of late and I might eat this treat today. Today is Saturday, you know, I never cook. So as a matter of fact, I don't want like groceries, but I want like some, you know, when you want some little nicks and knacks to help up with the dinner. I didn't go to the farmer's market either. So vegetable, I go to the supermarket, go get. Never me can't get no fresh one. Because the market something there, they never in me for the whole holiday season. So I do it. So I don't think I'll be putting any more. This is where I want it. Yep. So it will not me saw it taste, right? And tell you but for a peanut have more gluten. But I guess through them big. That's why them say little bit but talawa. And a big and fat do this thing here. Are big and strong. Oh. So you see it I get body here. I'm go and stir out, turn on my stove lower. So I want to see me next apology already. Remember this video? I'm a Saturday morning breakfast. Tell me how you do Saturday morning breakfast with your family. Tell me how you do it. Everyone set table. We not set no table because everybody all over the place. But we still make something where everybody can get. Catch you in the next clip. Oh hell. Jesus. Sorry, next clip. You know something about me put some peanut butter. You could remember me please? Put some peanut butter in it to make it nice. Yes. So this is Dad's own. Yeah. So we have to treat it come on them when we have them when them good. Well, when them not too, you know, yeah. This is a camera girl cup. She always want to feel sitting extra. I don't know if Jerry want to leave some. This is my cup. And I big up my party, my family member. She's more than a party. She sees me. I think this camera is gonna show it, but I'm not gonna show it the right way. There's a problem with this camera angle. She sees me as an amazing, loving, strong, happy, selfless, graceful woman. She sent it to me and she said, Auntie, I see you as all of those. So I drink my porridge out of my family member cup she sent. She's also my party. If you see me as any of those, let me tell you the words again. Amazing, loving, strong, happy, selfless, and graceful. She sees me as all of those. So I drink my porridge, my peanut porridge out of it. So I will go Saturday morning breakfast. I go dip for my bread in my porridge. You don't know me already, huh? Daddy bread stale, poopa girl. Eat tough. Apparently, it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things.